फाइनली इट्स माई टर्न. एक्चुअली स्ट्रेस मेरे को भी हो रहा था वहाँ बैठे बैठे कि कब मेरा टर्न आएगा, कब मेरा स्पीच ओवर होगा, देन आई विल बी एबल टू लिसन अदर्स नाइसली. एक्चुअली हम कुछ ठीक से सुन नहीं पा रहे थे बिकॉज आई वॉज जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर माई टर्न टू कम. नाउ स्ट्रेस थोड़ा कम हो रहा है बिकॉज नाउ आई एम स्टैंडिंग हियर. अब मेरा स्पीच ख़त्म हो जाएगा एंड देन आई विल बी एबल टू enjoy all the other speaking over here. So stress से कुछ होता नहीं है. You just lose your creativity. Just I was doing that कि हम कुछ सुन नहीं पा रहे थे. I was just blank thinking what to say, what I'll say, what I'll do when I'll be standing there. And yeah, I'm Anushka Tulsian and I'm going to talk about stress because this will help you a bit to reduce your stress because we all know CA students कितना stressful life है हमारा. So I'm going to begin that stress actually होता क्यों है? Because of some mental or emotional that keeps on haunting you and that like you will always think about it and it again and again when you think about something it gives you stress that क्या हो रहा है every time and this all everyone has faced once or every time in life. Every day someday or the other over here everyone is sitting someday or some way they are thinking about something else, the second thought that is coming to their mind that's making them stressed. And because of that you're not able to live in the present, you're not able to enjoy the moment which you are in now. So that's a reason, one major reason why we are not able to enjoy our life fully. Stress sabko hota hai. It can be positive, it can be negative also, but yeah, positive stress is good little bit. Like मेरे जैसा स्टूडेंट अगर मेरे को थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस नहीं होगा ना I'll not study, literally I'll not study. थोड़ा स्ट्रेस होता है ना कि एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं ना, I need to study, तब वो that is positive stress. We really when we take that kind of stress that is not bad. मतलब ऐसा स्ट्रेस होता है तो we generally like we study, that's good. Stress is not always bad. Bad stress is called distress. That is, we are destroying ourselves. We are trying to use unhealthy means to cope up with our stress, like smoking, drinking, and all that. Now, what does stress gives us? Is it good? Like, what we just anxiety, that depression kind of feeling, and we get irritated in small things. We shout at others, and we just mess ourselves up. That's nothing else that we do. So I think you should try to calm yourself and take this as a positive thing and don't take stress too much. And obviously I'll try to suggest some steps that you can help yourself out because every day we have a very busy schedule with our studies or anything that's going in our life. So it's very good that some tips I'm going to give, that is you should exercise. Obviously I don't do, I love sleeping, but you should go for morning walks, should relax a bit with your family, happy times that you spend, and also meditation. That's the best medicine that you can have, to meditate. And you should try to share things or any bad experience that you have with your friend. Any bad experience you should share with your families or any close ones that you have, so that it's said that if you share something with others, like stress, then you will feel a bit better that ठीक है तब share के you will get advice that how to cope up with it. So this will help you out to stay calm and work properly and focus on what you are doing. So at the end, I should only say my time is running. So and my stress is also, I don't know what to speak next. So I should end up saying, and yeah, one thing, stress is always so. Sometimes you take so much of stress that leads to suicidal attempts also. Lot of stress, like you are hiding everything inside you. You are not speaking it out, and that keeps hurting you inside, and one day you will take such bad steps which youngsters generally do. So it's there that you should share things with others, try to be happy, and at the end, yes friends, I only want to say that don't be a worrier, be a warrior. Thank you.